Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down the T-Mobile Galaxy S26 Ultra deals in 2026, including how you can get up to $1,300 off and what those promotions actually mean before you upgrade. So the T-Mobile is currently promoting one of its biggest Samsung offers with up to $1,300 off the Galaxy S26 Ultra or other Galaxy S26 models. The deal usually applies when you add a new line or trade in an eligible smartphone and activate the device on a qualifying premium plan. When all the requirements are met, the discount can cover a large portion of the phone's price. In some cases, the credit is large enough that the phone can appear almost free, depending on the model and the value of the trade in. So, the $1,300 discount is not an instant price drop. Instead, T-Mobile applies the saving as monthly bill credits over about 36 months. That means you still finance the phone as its regular price, but every month you can receive a credit on your bill that reduces the cost. Now, if you cancel the service and leave the plan early, the remaining credits usually stop and you may need to pay the remaining balance on the phone. So to qualify for the biggest discounts, you usually need to activate the device on the premium T-Mobile plans, such as newer higher tier unlimited plans. So these plans offer include extra benefits like streaming perks, travel features, hotspot data, and the satellite connectivity support. Because these plans cost more per month, it's important to consider the total long-term cost before upgrading. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.